Happy New Year, folks. I got this this late arriving gift package from Govee. What's most interesting about them is that they make some sort of smart device called lighting systems that you can stick on walls or stick underneath desktops. But they sent me a whole package, so I thought I would just unbox it and maybe we'll get to set this up, and maybe it'll even become part of my very tiny studio right behind me. Okay, so I'm going to open this guy up. So these are RGBIC LED light strips. See that? So they come in these little these reels, and you're not supposed to plug them in until you roll them out. On the back of them, it appears that there's 3M, so that's tape, so I can stick this to the bottom of maybe my shelving. I'd run the lines, the power lines, basically back. It looks like I'd run them back to one of these guys. Or, oh, I see, and then there's, you fix them and then you put on these clips. So we have the clips so they all stay in place. There's a cool little remote control for it. So that sets the light color. You've got light, speed, auto, day, night. I don't know what some of these symbols are. I can't plug them in yet, but I think the idea is, I think I'm going to try and put them on these two shelves. So I'll run the strips underneath, maybe around there, and then I'll run the wiring down, and we'll see how it works. I've always been kind of curious about these. They could offer like really cool ambient lighting. The other area you might use them is like maybe behind your television set, because they say like putting light behind a big screen can help even with eye strain. So that might be a possibility too. It's kind of cool to look at the strip light technology. You've got the actual little light element there, LED light element, and a controller right next to it. And this pattern is repeated over and over and over again. And obviously it's not a flexible strip. And on the back is the sticky stuff covered by this until you peel it off. As far as installation goes, it wasn't that hard to do. You just have to take your time, and it uses 3M glue on the back to attach. And I could, if I wanted, put more, like I could screw something into my shelves and attach it that way, but I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to put it on there. Not too hard. You have to wind the strips, almost like loop them in order to turn corners, which was a little hard, and hopefully I did that right. The other thing it doesn't tell you is that, well, you can cut the strip because it's not going to be the right length every time. And I did have to cut it in two places, but there's a specific spot on the strip where you cut it, where it's safe to do so. And then the whole thing will continue to work. Okay, so there's a physical switch on the side here. I'm going to use that first to turn it on. Here we go. Just going to press the power. Okay, so you can already see the light showing up. It starts off as green. I'm going to press this button. And there's a different color, and there's yet another color. Well, that's kind of party-ish. I mean, this would look a lot cooler at night, but still kind of neat. That looks like it's white. No, it's multiple colors, I think. And there's another option, green. That's straight up green. There's blue. So a lot of different color options. And there's white. So I hope to really give this a shot, try this out with the app. All right, so I've installed the Govee app. It's Govee Home app. And what I'm going to try and do is add the lights. So I'm going to do plus, and I'm going to strip LED strip lights. So it looks like the way to control the Govee lights, the LED strip lights, is through a Bluetooth connection. It says it's connecting. Oh, Device name, done. Should I give it a, I'm going to call it something from my office. Lance's office. Okay. Lance's office. Okay. Done. Okay. Says it's connected. Oh, of course, as always, I've got a version update. So one thing I've noticed is that, you really have to be close to, the phone has to be close to the lights for a Bluetooth connection, which means it doesn't have the best Bluetooth on the Govee LED strip lights. But I guess that's okay. If I'm sitting at my desk, maybe I'll control them from there. I'm not going to have it from far away. I can set a timer for lighting. I can do the light effects. So click on color blocks or pictures to apply effects. Okay, so I could do Christmas lighting, but it's really not Christmas anymore. So I guess I could choose like a preset. Oh, well, there you go. So that's annoying, but that's a Christmas preset. Let's try this one. Let's do color. And so this is this setting. And let's just do straight up white. Oh, that's interesting. I can do it by segment. So I'm going to select all, and we'll do this color. So basically everything's white now. But I can connect it to music. I can have it play. I haven't even tried that yet. So this is for music, but I don't have any music playing right now. But I guess it's if you had music, it could accompany it. Let's turn on some music. So we're just playing some royalty-free music. Trying to see if it... Let's go to the lights. Switch to rhythm. Yeah, I think it's kind of with it. We can do things like you can control brightness. So I'm going to lower it. And then I'm going to raise it. It doesn't happen in real time because I have to let go, and then you can see it happen. So watch closely. So that's all the way down. It's all the way up. So once I let go, the lighting changes. I've got a lot of choices in here. Here's Meteor. Let's see what that looks like. Oh wow, there's lights. So you see the shelves here. The system does include this nifty little line of sight remote control, so I can press a button to change the lights, but I really have to make sure I'm aiming directly at the receiver. So I'll put it down here. There's a receiver down there. Press blue, and you can already see the lights have changed. Lights have changed to blue, and I've got all the other controls here. So that's kind of cool too. So know that the Govee lights, the strip LED lights, are pretty popular on Amazon. They go for about $40. The set that I got costs about $43, $44 for about 32 feet of strip lighting, and that was more than enough to cover 3 shelves here. It's actually pretty easy to set up. The instructions are a little bit thin. I think they could be a little bit better, but the app is decent. It's fun to use. I like the idea that people can create their own DIY lighting options. I would probably just keep this, not moving, maybe one straight color, especially if I'm shooting videos. But I wanted to show you what's possible. So I kind of like it. I mean, it was fun. It was fun to set up. It's fun to use. I think it's going to really enhance my little home studio here. So yeah, I would actually, right now, I would recommend Govee LED strip lights. You might want to check them out. Check them out on Amazon or wherever else you can find them. Set the search on Govee. And thanks to Govee for letting me try them out. This is a really cool addition to my home studio. Thanks for watching my review of Govee's RGBIC LED strip lights. Remember to rate, review, and subscribe.